This is why you need a budget. Without one, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and lost. Picture this, a financial map guiding you to your goals. It helps you see where you are and where you want to be. Sounds like freedom, right? Imagine the peace of mind knowing your finances are under control. A budget is like your GPS for money. It directs you, keeps you on track, and helps you avoid financial pitfalls. With a budget, you gain clarity. You know exactly where your money is going and can make informed decisions. Start by tracking what you earn and spend. This is the foundation of any good budget. Be intentional with your money, cut stress, and save for the future. Set clear goals and watch your financial health improve. Remember, budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. The freedom to live the life you want without financial worry. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Stay tuned for more tips on achieving financial success.